What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making a turtleneck cowl dress, and for this dress we're going to be needing a sewing machine, 2 yards of velvet fabric, a measuring tape, a red thread, a 22-inch zipper, scissors, and tailoring chalk. So let's get started. All right, for this turtleneck dress we're going to be folding our fabric into two, and we're going to be cutting the back first and taking our 1-inch zipper allowance. Like this. And then we're going to be cutting our my half length, which is 17 inches. And then adding 1-inch allowance for joining. And then I'll take shoulder measurement, which is 7.5, which is half of my shoulder measurement. And we're going to be taking 8.5 inch for the armhole. And then we'll measure our bust measurement, which is 37, divide that by 4, which is 9.5, and 1-inch allowance. And we're going to take our waist measurement, which is 33. We divide that by 4, which is 8.5, and add our 1-inch allowance. And then for the armhole, we're going to take 1 inch. And then for the turtleneck, we're going to measure 3 inches. And then my neck measurement is, my round neck measurement is 15. We're going to add 1 to that to give us 16, and measure it, divide it by 4 to give us 4 inch. And then we add 1 inch for the, or 2 inches, I mean, to turn the neck. And then we cut. To cut the front piece, I have folded my zip allowance. I cut my back piece into 2, folded my zip allowance, folded my turtleneck area, and then I placed it on the front part. And then I'm going to mark here, and I'm going to mark here. Then I'm going to place it here. And then for the turtleneck area, I'm gonna unfold my I'm gonna cut. That's for the front. So for the bottom part, I have folded my fabric into 4 like this, and I left this for my zip allowance. So I'll take my skirt measurements. My skirt measurements, waist is 34, so I'll be using 8.5. Add my 1 inch allowance, and then to take my hip measurement, I'll be using 8 inches. My hip measurement is 42. We're using 10.5, and add my 1 inch allowance. And then I'm going to slant it this way. And then I cut. For my sleeve measurement, I folded my fabric into 4. I'll take the length of the sleeve, which is 21. I'll add my 2 inch allowance. And I'll take my round sleeve, which is 9. I'll add my 1 inch allowance. And then for the armhole, I'm going to be using 4. So we're going to join the front top piece with the bottom front piece together with our sewing machine. We're going to join them and then we'll come back to join the back piece. So I'm going to join the back bodice. I'm going to join the bottom of the top part to the top of the bottom part, like this. So I'm going to sew it now. Join the back piece together. So I'm going to add my zip to the back bodice like this. So I have pleated the front shoulder, and then I'm going to join it to the back bodice to give me the drapes that I need. So after making these pleats, I joined both shoulders together, and then I added my sleeve, and then I joined the both sides together. Join both sides together, and then the next thing I'll do is to go ahead and hem my dress, and then hem the sleeves too. That's it. Thank you. Alright guys, this is our turtleneck cowl dress. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and click the notification button. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.